Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find some helpful information in the Victoria's Secret MENA application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the My Account button. And then if you scroll down at the end, look for the Customer Service button and click on that. And click on the Help button. And as you can see, you can search for topics and questions. You can search for specific topics, and you can also search for the most popular questions that come up in this application. So for example, if you want to know how you can cancel your order, you can find that among the popular topics, so just click on that. And as you can see, there's a very detailed description on the specific problem. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.